Hey guys, it's the 19th of September, release day for the iPhone 17. And yeah, this just arrived. Ordered through Maxis, first day, the moment it opened for the pre-order. This is the Cosmic Orange, and I got this case from the Apple Store. This came earlier. And yeah, let's do the unboxing, shall we? Never thought I'll be buying the 17 Pro Max after getting the 16 Pro Max last year. But yeah, I think there was enough changes to warrant a purchase. And one of my contracts already ended, so why not tag this device to that number. Alright. Wow, look at that. Now, in camera it looks orange. In person it looks like a copperish orange, orangely hue copper. Yeah, light. I'm looking at it with my own eyes, but from the camera it definitely looks orange. This is orange. This has got a copper-like kind of look. Yes, sir. Very nice, solid. Now what I'm gonna do is try to fit this on and see how it looks. I think not many people have done a video about this, so I thought might as well try to fit. You know, it's already orange, why not make it even more orange? So it's got the MagSafe. Most important is I didn't like the first generation Beats. It looks too plasticky. For this one, it's got a rubber textured feel here, all right, which is good for grip. And here's it's kind of matte, kind of, but smooth, real smooth. So the sides, the texture runs here as well, as you can see, which is good for the grip. You can see it in my hand, right? So here's, yeah, smooth. All right, let's fit this in. Okay, see how it looks. The reflection is pretty good, the anti-reflection, yeah, which I like a lot. So on the back, this is what it looks like. Looks nice. Looks pretty nice. Yeah. Good fit. Feels good in the hand. Yep. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe, comment, follow me on IG at LKHOE23. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.